Reading a text file. To read a text file in Python, we can use the open function with the file name and the mode set to R. We can then use the read method to read the entire contents of the file as a string. Alternatively, we can use the readLine method to read one line at a time, or the readLines method to read all lines into a list. Writing to a text file. To write to a text file in Python, we can use the open function with the file name and the mode set to W. We can then use the write method to write data to the file. If the file does not exist, it will be created. If it already exists, its contents will be overwritten. To append data to an existing file, we can use the mode a instead of euro.